Mike from Pearland has some AC choices.
Well, he has three contractors who gave him three very different options, Tom.
Okay.
Mike writes, the first spec'd a 17 SEER with 2-speed compressors and variable speed blower fans. He said they would need new plenums and media filter housings, but no ductwork.
Okay.
The second guy says variable speed would not work downstairs because of the duct sizing he has in place. He said he would reduce the downstairs unit and increase the upstairs to 4 tons, and they both be single-speed 14 SEER. The third guy said no variable speed either. He said he recommends sizing up all the visible attic ducting and subplenums and 5 tons downstairs, 4 tons upstairs, both single-speed. Tom, Mike wants your opinion. Which one sounds right?
Anytime you get into all the bells and whistles about the variable speeds and this kind of, you have to design that ductwork to be exactly what it needs to perform. And most ductwork is not designed properly to begin with. So getting into all those bells and whistles doesn't mean a thing if the ductwork doesn't work right. Now, ductwork design is an art in itself, and it's very much ignored in the industry. I like the single speeds. You can't go wrong with them. Whatever the sizing is, I don't think it's going to make a lot of difference, but at the same time, you need enough capacity to cool your home. Those guys will make that choice for you, and I think it'll be the right choice. I like the idea of the other two just on the single speeds. In fact, the second choice I like the best because he really seemed to have a feel for what that house was when we read these questions.
All right. You got questions? We can help you out, even on complicated ones like that. Send us your questions to HomeShowRadio.com. Check out other videos or subscribe to our channel.